So it is going to be hot area-wide, you guys, but the main concern is going to be in portions of Miami-Dade and Broward County, especially the areas you see shaded in red and purple, Naja. So what we're showing you here is that area of extreme risk, and that's going to be impacting areas such as Doral to North Miami, in between Fort Lauderdale and Hollywood. We know we have a lot of people that live there, Naja. Now, if you take a look at Thursday, it looks like that risk is very similar. So it means triple-digit feels-like temperatures are expected to continue as we close out the work week and maybe even as we head into Memorial Day weekend. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. How hot is it going to feel in my neighborhood? Well, here's a look at what the feels-like temperatures are expected to climb to in Broward County. 99 in Fort Lauderdale, 100 in Hollywood and Plantation. Similar conditions in Sunrise and maybe even a degree warmer as you make your way to Weston. Feels like temperatures in Miami-Dade County making it into the mid-90s out at the beach in Key Biscayne. 102 from Miami to Hialeah and Doral, and maybe even 100 degrees in Kendall. The Keys still pretty steamy as well, mid-90s to lower triple digits. This is just very toasty and well above average temperatures than what we're accustomed to for this time of the year. Now, on the thermometer, we'll climb to the lower 90s, and the reason why that's significant is we could actually make a run at the daily heat record in Miami. 95 is that record. I think we'll fall just below that. We do have a 10% chance for some isolated showers, but for the most part, we're staying dry today. Tomorrow morning, we'll wake up to a mild yet muggy start with most of us in the mid to upper 70s. My friends in the Keys, you guys are going to be a bit stickier, though, in the lower 80s. Now, I mentioned we are not only just talking about the potential for heat-related risks. We also need to talk about the rain threat and storm threat, especially Thursday into Friday. We've now increased our rain chances to a 30 to 40% chance. Some of these storms for both afternoons could be on the strong to severe side. I think it'll be very isolated in nature, but the threat does still remain. So we are issuing next weather alert days for both Thursday and Friday afternoons for the potential of sea breeze storms that could contain damaging wind and maybe even some hail. What areas need to be the highest on alert? Well, all of Broward County falls under that level 1 risk, along with our metro areas in Miami-Dade. This is also going to be the case for Friday as well during the peak heating of the afternoon. Next weather rain tracker shows that 10% chance for some isolated showers or storms in northern Miami-Dade today. Quiet tomorrow morning, and then around 4 to 5 o'clock we see a few showers and storms bubbling up, growing a little bit more widespread from 4 to 5, 6, and 7 o'clock for northeastern Miami-Dade and southern Broward County. Quiets down overnight, and then we could see another batch of scattered showers and storms on Friday afternoon. Looking ahead to Memorial Day weekend, we'll have a 20 to 30% chance for some isolated showers and storms as highs drop down to the upper 80s and lower 90s.